Hello my dear students, I welcome you in my online tutorials and as you know that unit 9 is going on for class 12 physics and this is second lecture for the ninth unit. So let it be lecture 9b. Lecture 9a you have already received. In lecture 9a we discussed how a diode can be used as a switch in forward and reverse bias. When p-type of diode is connected to positive terminal of battery and n-type of diode is connected to negative terminal of battery, diode is in forward biased and it will conduct. And if we'll do the reverse, if the p-type of diode is connected to negative terminal of battery and the n-type of diode is connected to positive terminal of battery, diode is said to be reverse biased or switch off. It will not conduct. The only current in the reverse biased is due to minority carriers and that is very small. It is in microamperes. So we can use this characteristic of diode of being switched on in forward biased and switch off in reverse bias for rectification purpose. We are having two types of rectifiers, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. We'll discuss them one by one. And you will also understand what is the meaning of half wave rectifier. So let us consider a simple circuit where we are having a step down transformer, AC input, magnetic coupling. So this symbol which is in the dotted box is representing a step down transformer and we are having step down AC here. Now if I connect one diode like this is P type of diode and this is N side of diode, and if I will connect a load resistance R, then across the terminals of this load resistance, if I consider one of the terminal as ground and on other terminal if I'll take my output, then this is my circuit for half wave rectifier. Quite simple. The transformer circuit with blue, then with red I have drawn the rectification circuit in which we are having only one diode and one load resistance across which we are measuring the output voltage. So first you need to study what is the type of signal here at point 1, or rather I should like this one. So at point 1 the input signal is in form of AC like this and will continue. We'll call it positive half cycle, negative half cycle and positive half cycle and negative half cycle and so on. So positive half cycle means the A side of the winding is positive and the B side of the winding is negative. This is positive half cycle, PHC, positive half cycle, यानी कि ये ऊपर वाला पोर्शन AC वेव का. अब जब आपका A टर्मिनल नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और B टर्मिनल पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा उसे हम बोलेंगे नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल. दैट इज दिस. तो ये जो हमने आउटपुट ड्रॉ किया ये हमने A की ड्रॉ किया है. A पे जो सिग्नल आ रहा है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू B, तो B को हमने ग्राउंड माना है. तो B को ग्राउंड हमने अगर माना है, ये A का हमने ड्रॉ किया है पॉइंट का, तो जब B नेगेटिव था तो उस टाइम पे A पॉजिटिव, और जब A नेगेटिव है तो B को तो हमने जीरो माना हुआ है तो इसलिए फिर A नेगेटिव. तो ये आपकी AC है जो ट्रांसफार्मर से आपके पास आ रही है. द वर्किंग इज इन टू हाफ साइकिल्स. इट इज द इनपुट which is present here at the point 1 input and at point 2 across the load resistance the same. ये सारा एक ही बात है, ये सारा point connected है. At point 2 we are having output. So I will draw here output at point 2. I will draw the output in the same manner. Okay, so let us focus on the first positive half cycle, first half positive half cycle. When positive half cycle will come, so you can see P type of diode is connected to positive and N type of diode is connected to negative. So your diode is in forward bias and it will conduct. If it will conduct, this voltage will appear across resistance R, current I will flow through the circuit. This point is going to be positive and this point is going to be negative. So you will get the output here. The same positive cycle will come in the output. Now what will happen when negative half cycle will come? The P type of diode is now connected to negative and N type of diode is now connected to positive. So diode is in reverse bias condition. Now the diode will not conduct. So in positive half cycle your diode will conduct, while in negative half cycle your diode will not conduct. And if your diode will not conduct, so no current will flow through the circuit and no output will be there. So in place of negative half cycle, no output. And then again when positive half cycle will come, again positive half cycle will come as it is in output. And again when negative half cycle will come, there will be nothing available in the output. And so on, this circuit will continue. So you can observe only half of the wave, positive side, half of the wave is coming in output while the other negative half is stopped by diode. So that is why this circuit is known as half wave rectifier. I hope it's pretty clear. And after this we are having full wave rectifier. तो ये working है आपकी quite simple. After this I will discuss with you diode as full wave rectifier.